This is our 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. It's got the Dunlop tires on it, Grandtrek, flame grille with the bull bar. Those are 20 inches too. It's got Magnaflow or Flowmaster dual exhaust, custom done. Chrome Dodge head tail lights. And in a second I will show you the sound of it.
Do I come closer?
Yeah, probably.
Wherever you go?
No, just don't come too close.
He's revving it up. Aren't you revving it up?
What?
I think he's revving it up.
What's what?
Revving where he goes like,
Why?
to show them to get.
Is this a video?
It's too bright out.
Yes, it is. Sheldon, is it on video?
Yeah.
I showed my face.
Huh?
I'm just like, hello.
Cool.
Here he is, the king. Dun, dun, dun. Yep. Hello. It's going on confusing, but it doesn't matter. I just want to hello. Hello. Picking your nose?
No, I was going like this.
My name is. Bang, 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 bang. Dun, dun, dun.
Back up a bit just in case.
No. Right there?
Yeah.
How do you zoom? How do you zoom it in? Sheldon, how do you zoom it in?
Don't worry about it.
Bye.